because we were selling that kind of volume, and other companies were too back in the day, once Rockwell purchased Allen Bradley,
The racking is expensive.
Oh, it's extremely expensive, and yeah.
Because they're 5,000 pounds each.
Yeah, they're 5,000 pounds. The brackets that's holding the reels, those are all custom made.
Yeah.
So I gotta get all that prefab, and then I got some guys here that be welding it and putting it together. So I got my own maintenance department.
your own maintenance department? Sweet.
Look at you.
Sweet.
You built that?
Engineer and manufacturer here, so very proud of it. Fully electric, it's like a Tesla. I'm serious.
Custom.
We used to have this every 15 feet or so. We used to have these drops, so we can plug the machine in there,
Okay.
and that will take time. Every time you move, you get it.
Yeah.
Not like nope. It's wireless.
He's wireless. Sweet.
That's awesome.
So it's all electrical from the counter jack to the printer that he prints his lane with. He used to have his laptop there, but he took it down because I don't know. He hasn't done it. And then the vibration might have messed with it. The screen. And then it has a dual motor, one for the reels and one on the other side for the coil.
Wow.
So he can come over here and just. Can I mark? You can adjust the speed right here. And then the counter can move back and forth. Everything he needs is right there. You're right, Mike.
Sweet deal.
Well, they don't look anything like we bought it. Because they weren't user friendly when we bought it. So
Okay.
the counter right there, even the counter, the red counter,
Yeah.
with the big tube on the top, that was made in house. That's a specialized counter.
Okay.
It's air pressurized, and you can see the digital clock on the.
Yeah. Sure.
So we do a lot of modifying in house and coming up with our own thing.
It's cool. Yeah.
So it goes up and down, and it goes in and out.
Wow.
That's cool.
That's very cool.
Then you line the holes on the reel, and then you take it back up.
Yeah. And you said one of those reels is like 5,000 pounds, right? Yeah. So you're gonna.
So you gotta imagine if you have 4 reels that are 5,000 pounds, you're pulling 20,000 pounds.
Right.
This guy can probably do about 40,000 pounds.
Wow.
That's incredible.
That.
Whenever it's getting pulled in the pipe, they're not all in the same spot and creates a clog.
Yeah.
So whenever they go through that corner,
Yeah.
staggered. That's what I was.
They're
talking
staggered. Perfect.
Staggered.
about. Whenever they go through that corner,
Yeah.
they
Don't get stuck. Yeah.
They get stuck.
That's tight.
So that's one of the services that we provide as well.
A wheel inside of a wheel. That's awesome.
Supposed to get to the point where once we send it to plating, it doesn't come back. It'll go from plating straight to. Or hold that nail, it's getting copper.
I can already tell that's a little short. We're gonna try.
So what he's doing, he's setting up the food because
this piece will end up being U-shaped. And if the customer don't like it,
That looks like that might be the right spot. You get used to where it's at. That's a little short.
yeah, and we'll get orders.
What are these here? Are these?
That's a part.
That's a part. That's a finish.
That's a finished part.
So that has the zinc on it already?
Yeah, the tin.
10.
Oh, it's tin?
And if I'm not mistaken,
There's the date, April 8th.
and then I'm guessing these are some that were.
These were rejected.
Yeah, these.